Hello, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. If you join my free membership, you will get to see today's full comic story. Have you ever walked out in a perfect outfit? Only be attacked by surprise rain 5 minutes later? Yep, the sun was shining, the sky was clear, and boom, afternoon thunderstorm. Let's listen to a little story. You might find it very similar. Mini drama. Dun 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 dun. The thunderstorm trap. One afternoon, Mia was standing in front of the mirror. I look amazing today. I look amazing today. She smiled, grabbed her bag, and opened the door. No way we will get an afternoon thunderstorm today. No way we will get an afternoon thunderstorm today. The sky looked blue and beautiful. But 10 minutes later, wait, it's pouring. Wait, it's pouring. Rain came down like buckets. Mia was drenched. Hair, shoes, everything. I should've just stayed home. I should've just stayed home. Vocabulary Spotlight. Let's look at the natural English expressions in Mia's story. Number 1. I look amazing today. I look amazing today. Use this when you feel confident about how you look. Here's an example. I curled my hair today. I look amazing. I curled my hair today. I look amazing. Number 2. No way we will get a thunderstorm. No way we will get a thunderstorm. No way means definitely not, or that can't happen. Here's an example. No way it will rain. It's sunny. No way it will rain. It's sunny. Number 3. It's pouring. It's pouring. P-O-U-R-I-N-G. P-O-U-R-I-N-G. Pouring. A strong way to say it's raining a lot. Here's an example for you. We can't go out now. It's pouring. We can't go out now. It's pouring. Number 4. I should have just stayed home. I should have just stayed home. This shows regret. Should have means should have. Here's an example. I should have brought an umbrella. I should have brought an umbrella. Number 5. Drenched. Drenched. D-R-E-N-C-H-E-D. D-R-E-N-C-H-E-D means very, very wet. Soaked all over, like after walking in heavy rain. Here's an example. I forgot my umbrella and got completely drenched. I forgot my umbrella and got completely drenched. Bonus. Other real ways to say thunderstorm. 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 Just a quick extra. These aren't in the story, but people say them all the time. First, a pop-up thunderstorm. A pop-up thunderstorm. Pop up. P-O-P-U-P. P-O-P-U-P. Pop up. Just like popcorn. Pop. It means a sudden, unexpected thunderstorm, often used in weather forecasts. Here's an example. Watch out for pop-up thunderstorms later today. Watch out for pop-up thunderstorms later today. Second, the sky just opened up. The sky just opened up. Opened up. O-P-E-N-E-D. U-P. It's a casual way to say it suddenly started raining very heavily. Here's an example. I stepped outside and the sky just opened up. I stepped outside and the sky just opened up. Alright, let's review. Here's a quick recap from Mia's thunderstorm drama. This is why you should always check the weather app. Number 1. I look amazing today. I look amazing today. Number 2. No way we will get a thunderstorm. No way we will get a thunderstorm. Number 3. Wait, it's pouring. Wait, it's pouring. Number 4. We should have just stayed home. We should have just stayed home. Now, try reading them with me. You can pause and repeat after each line. So next time you leave the house feeling fabulous, maybe check the weather app first. Thanks for learning with me on Daily English with Diana. Don't forget to follow the podcast and leave a quick review or comment. It means a lot. I will see you next time. Bye bye.